Okay. 15 seconds.
It's square left up here, yeah?
Yeah, so 230, turn square left. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So 230, turn square left, 80. Square left, 80. One right, continues for 150, into bit over junction, and then we're back on the normal track. Bit over junction, 40, then one left, 100. Then one left into small crest, mid, 80. Then small crest, 130, 6 right past junction, and one right, 40, one right, 40, one left, 150. One left continues for 200, 100, and then one right, so this is your one left, continues for 200, then 100 straight, one right continues for 150, mid past lay-by, 130, caution, 3 left, drop outside over small crest, and 80. And 2 right, 100 down mid. 1 left half long, 80. Then unseen turn, 5 right, slippy don't cut, slowing. 1 right, 40 down, and 6 right, 60. Tight 4 left long, slippy 1 right, tightens into 3 right. Here's your 1 right, tightens into 3 right, 40. Then 3 right, 300 over dip. Then small crest into long and into 2 right, 250. Then it's 1 left, continues for 150, tightens, slowing into 5 left, turns square right, tight on crest. So, slowing 5 left, tightens square right on crest, steep downhill, 150, 170 downhill, bumpy, and turn square right. 3 right, continues for 150. Then 130 and acute left, 300. Acute left, 300. Then 2 left, continues for 130 and tightens into slippy 6 left. So 2 left for 130, tightens into slippy 6 left. Then 2 left over long crest. Here's your 6 left. Then it's 2 left over crest, 60, 1 left. Then 350, small crest. 60 down, after crest, slowing for 2 left long, and open hairpin right long. So this is your crest, 60 down, slowing, 2 left long, and then open hairpin right long, 60. Then 5 right, tightens over crest, bad camber. Repeat, 5 right, tightens over crest, bad camber into 4 left, 80. then chicane, enter left, 3 bail, then 80, then 1 right, 150, 1 left and 100, then small crest into 1 right past junction, 150, here's your crest, 1 right, 250, then 1 right past lane, 350, then caution, 3 left tightens into very tight, 6 left long, 3 left tightens into very tight, 6 left long, then 60, small crest long into 4 right long and 130, here's your 4 right, 130, then long way round triangle, it's 6 right, hairpin left and 6 right, 6 right, hairpin left, 6 right, hairpin left, 6 right, then 500, then small crest, long into small dip, and 250, so small crest, long into small dip, 250, then chicane, right entry, 3 bails, right entry 3 bails, then 170. 170. Then mid over crest, 200 over dip. Then caution, crest into 6 right, long narrows. Crest into 6 right, long narrow, and 40. 5 left, 3 right. Then tight 3 left long, 130. Then 5 right, continues for 150. Into 1 left. Continues for 150, into 1 left. Then it's 130. Then 3 left long into 2 right. Then 3 left long again, 40. Then another 3 left, 130.
Repeat.
And 3 left into chicane, right entry 3 bails. Right entry 3 bails. 100. 2 left, drop outside, and 170 over dip. Then crest into 3 left, over dip 200. Then small crest, right of mid 300. Double crest bump 150. Here's your double crest bump 150, then slowing,
yeah,
1 left, 60 down, 5 right, slippy. 1 left, 60 down, 5 right, slippy. 60, 6 right tight. Here's your 6 right. 5 right, don't cut. Then 5 right, slippy, opens, 60. Into 3 left and 3 right long. Into 2 left, 350. Then chicane, right entry, 2 bail. Chicane, right entry, 2 bail, and then 60. 1 right, 40, then 5 left, long, 150. So here's your 5 left, 150. Then care, 1 left into tight 6 right, 1 left into tight 6 right. Then 1 right, long, slippy, 2 left over small crest, into 5 left, into 5 left, slippy, 60, 1 left, 40, and 2 left, long, 100. Then stay right, turn square left, into 5 right, stay right, turn square left, into 5 right, 60, 3 right, don't cut, into 2 left, long, tightens, 80, then 3 left, tight 4 right, hairpin left, 3 left, tight 4 right, hairpin left, then 80, 4 right, 80, then 4 right and tight 5 right. Then here's your tight 5 right, then 6 left, tight 6 right, 6 left, tight 6 right, then 4 left and 5 right. Here's your 5 right, then another 4 left, then 60 and 6 left. Here's your 6 left, 4 right, 2 right over crest, long, into 3 right, then 60 and 2 right, and 100, then 1 right, 60, small crest, 1 left, long and down, 2 right, 1 left, long and down, 2 right, into right over junction and 5 right. Here's your 5 right, 80, tight 4 right. Here's your tight 4 right, then it's 1 right, long opens, sorry, tightens into 2 right.
Say again.
1 right, tightens into 2 right,
Yeah.
crest 85 right. Here's your crest 85 right. This is the 5 right. 1 left, 40, then 3 right tight, 60 slowing, tight hairpin left. Here's your tight hairpin left, then 3 right, 40, and 3 right over finish. Here's your 3 right, then 4 left tight, 80, that's it.
Well done.
Well done, that was excellent.
We got the groove a bit towards the end.
Yeah,
I got a
yeah.
bit more committed.
Yeah, no, that was great. Well done.